Hello, everyone. My name is Ernest Goodman. I'm an immigration attorney with office here in Los Angeles. Today, we're going to discuss EB-5 program. EB-5 program established in 90s. EB-5 program is a good pathway to obtain a green card for you and your family. This presentation will be focused on two ways of obtaining green card using EB-5 program. One way is for persons who resides overseas, not in the United States. Another pathway is for people who resides here in the United States. We have our office located at 2600 West Olive Avenue, Suite 531, Burbank, California, zip code 91505. Our website, ernestgoodmanlawfirm.com. I have a WhatsApp, 818-641-7583. You can also find me in WeChat. Agenda for today, we will discuss EB-5 program one more time for overseas applicants and EB-5 for US-based applicants. You can see here in this slide key players in the EB-5 industry: immigration lawyers, agents, regional centers, translators, banks, companies that provide due diligence services. By the way, we provide due diligence services as well. Two types of EB-5 investment. First type is using regional centers. Another type is so-called direct investment. In this video, we will be focused on regional centers. We will be focused on obtaining EB-5 using regional centers. Benefits of investment in regional centers. I have to tell that there are like 4 benefits. First benefit is job creation. Direct and indirect jobs could be reported by regional centers. By the way, if you have direct investment, you will have to have 10 full-time jobs. You have to report full-time jobs, but regional centers can report indirect jobs, for example, contractors, and it makes them easier to comply with all requirements by USCIS. Another benefit is reduced personal involvement. If you invest in regional center, your job almost done. You don't have to do any management, and you can do whatever you want. And another benefit is risk mitigation. Usually regional centers, they do diversification. They collect money from sometimes tens or hundreds investors, and they invest in really big projects, and they diversify all investments, and they provide professional management. Some regional centers, they have professional management staff. Another benefit is streamlined process. They handle compliance, and they have established network of projects. Types of regional center projects. There are 3 types of regional center projects in the United States. First type, regular projects, where you have to invest $1,050,000. Second type is targeted employment area project, or TEA project, where you have to invest $800,000. Another type, lastly, is a rural project, where you have to invest $800,000. Targeted employment area projects, they're very interesting because government incentivizes investors to invest in specific areas where unemployment rate is too high. Almost every state has a targeted employment area, and those projects could be very lucrative as well. Who can get green card using EB-5 program? Investor and spouse and children under 21 years old. EB-5 process for overseas applicant. First, we will discuss EB-5 process for overseas applicant for people who reside outside the United States. You can find blog post at our website, ernestgoodmanlawfirm.com, dedicated to those two pathways for obtaining EB-5. And you can read my blog about those 7 steps. Here we will discuss all these 7 steps. First step is due diligence. Of course, due diligence is very important. You have to investigate regional centers' approval status and track record with USCIS. Different regional centers have different record of approvals. Some of them have high approval rate, some of them low approval rate. And you can check regional centers' history of successful project completions and investor approvals. And you review any past issues or litigation involving the regional centers. We provide due diligence services. You can also hire agents or special company, any other companies that can help you with due diligence using, for example, open source intelligence. We use open source intelligence, for example. Second step is preparing documents. For document preparation, you're gonna hire a US licensed immigration attorney. It's a crucial step, and properly documenting legal source of your investment funds is very important. Everything must be documented. And I am a United States licensed immigration attorney. We have experience in guiding clients through this process and ensuring that funds from sources such as professional income, property sales, and hearings are thoroughly and legally documented. Next step is the project selection. Selecting the project is a vital step. And you can hire agents. There are different type of agents, and state license and federal license agents in the United States, and they can help you with project selection. And usually they don't charge from clients. For example, you investor can engage agent to find the best project in the United States. Usually every regional center offer many projects, at least one. So you have to choose a regional center, and you have to choose project. And of course, you have to choose immigration attorney. And after investing, regional center provides receipt, and your attorney files for conditional green card. Approval process, unfortunately for China, mainland China, it's very lengthy. And according to visa bulletin, it could take, whole process could take, because those green cards are not immediately available and wait time is long for China. And if you apply for green card, wait time could be like total time of getting a permanent green card could be like 7-8 years or even more, depending on circumstances. Consulate interview is the next step. And usually upon approval, the case moves to a national visit center. Within 6-8 months, the interview is scheduled, where various aspects of your investment and the project progress are reviewed. Fifth step, receiving entry visa and activating conditional green card. After the interview, you receive an immigrant visa stamp, and you can go and enter the United States and activate your conditional green card. After receiving conditional green card, the next important milestone is getting a permanent green card. It takes approximately 24 months later period. And during this period, application to remove the conditional green card must be filed, and we help with all this process. And last stage is a capital repayment and conditional green card receipt. EB-5 investor can expect capital repayment after 2 years. This is a relatively new rule. And one more time, post-conditional green card receipt and unconditional green card is typically issued within like 30-36 months. And let's discuss EB-5 process for US-based applicants. Recently, specifically in 2022, USCIS announced changes allowing concurrent filing. It means United States-based applicants, they have some benefits compared to applicants who file overseas. And okay, again, there's 7 steps, and you can find all steps in our website, ernestgoodmanlawfirm.com. First step is always due diligence. Before you start the project selection and regional center selection, you should start with comprehensive due diligence. This is crucial because duration of EB process is multi-year, and we recommend investors also consult with specialized legal and financial experts in the EB-5 program. With our expertise, investors can confidently navigate the complexity of the EB-5 investment. And like I said earlier, we employ open source intelligence, and we do due diligence for our clients. We look for all litigation history and approval rates for every persons and companies involved. Next step is the preparation of legal documents. For this step, you have to choose immigration attorney. I am a United States licensed immigration attorney, and I can help you with preparing all required documentation. Next step is project selection, investment, and filing of petition I-526E. During this step, investor must choose a qualifying project and make the necessary investment. The USCIS reviews each project's business plan for compliance with immigration laws. Again, the minimum investment is $800,000 in targeted employment areas and $1,050,000 in non-TAs. The adjudication process for this stage typically spans for 18 to 24 months. But unfortunately for China or India, this timeline could be much longer. It's important to note that availability of this process is dependent on the visibility, which can significantly affect the timing. Consequently, the wait time for India and China often extending for 7-8 years. Next step is receiving employment authorization documents and advance parole. Since 2022, United States changed the rules, and it allows concurrent filing of Form I-526E and Form I-485. If you file those forms concurrently, it means you can also file 2 more forms and obtain work permit and advance parole. Advance parole is a travel document. Technically, you can get a so-called combo card. Combo card includes 2 things. Combo card combines work permit and advance parole. And using combo card, you can travel, and technically you can have everything that give you green card. And this is good news for investors who reside in the United States, because during like 3 months period after filing of 4 forms, you can get a combo card and you can reside in the United States and wait until your first green card conditional will arrive. And step number 5, conditional green card approval. USCIS assesses the source of fund, and during period of 18 up to 24 months, your conditional green card will be approved. And sixth step is the application for conditional green card. After approval, investor must file Form I-829 to transition to unconditional green card, and it takes up to 30 to 36 months. And removal of condition occurs after filing all documents. You get a 10-year permanent residence card. And 7th step is a capital repayment. Of course, it could be repaid earlier because we have changes in the law. It's good. You can get your money back after 2 years. Now, you don't have to wait like 5 or 7 years. And disclaimer, this information provided in this video It's for informational purposes, and it's not legal advice or consultation. Thank you very much. This page is about our contacts. We have a WhatsApp 818-641-7583, our website ernestgoodmanlawfirm.com, and email info@ernestgoodmanlawfirm.com. Thank you very much. Thank you.